Welcome to this new video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can implement nested navigation in Flutter using AutoRoute package. Repo for all of the starter code can be found on the description below. You can continue from my previous video about bottom navigation bar implementation using AutoRoute. There was a small issue in my previous video which I have addressed in this video and fixed it. Link to the previous video is also given in the description. Now let's see what we are going to build in this video. A bottom navigation bar is given with three sections: home, song and setting. Both song and setting has children routes. When I click on setting 1, it will take me to setting detail route. And when I go to other section from bottom navigation bar and again visit back, the route are same. The states are maintained and I can navigate within each section of bottom navigation bar. Here, each section can have multiple children's, but it will navigate within each section. This video has detailed tutorial to implement this. In previous video, I have made bottom navigation bar without any nested navigation. You can check it out. You can subscribe to this channel to watch more such videos. Now let's get started. First, let's fix the issue from the previous video. I added all 4 routes as the children of main route, but setting detail route is not needed there. It should be placed outside of the children next to main route. By doing so, we will fix the issue from previous video. Now let's continue on nested navigation. When I click on individual song, a new route is pushed. I wish to achieve this, but within the same section. This can be done using nested navigation. For nested navigation, we first need to create a wrapper to wrap all of the children. The children are all of the route for nested navigation. We will start by creating a new file as a wrapper for the nested navigation. Let's name the file song navigation screen. There will be no content inside this screen. It will only act as a wrapper for all of the children within the route. In this video, we are going to add 2 nested navigation for song and setting 2. So watch full video so that you can get clear idea about nested navigation using AutoRoute. Inside song navigation screen, let's create a stateless widget. First, let's add route page annotation and generate route. You can follow along this playlist to know more about route generation using AutoRoute generator. Let's generate song navigation route using following command. Here I am going to build. You can also watch instead so that it will auto build every time you change any file. All of this information can be found from my previous videos. After successfully building, we need to change app_router file to configure our nested navigation. Let's replace song list route with song navigation route. This song navigation route will have children's. I'm going to add song list route and song detail route here. Here there is song navigation route, and it has children's song list route and song detail route. By doing this, we can set up app router for nested navigation. If we have more children's, you can add them here. Now we need to change song navigation screen. There is only one small change there. For every nested navigation, we need to add auto router widget. So let's return auto router widget here. If there were other widgets here too, like a default app bar, we could have added the app bar and could have added auto router accordingly. In this way, when we click on any song, it will go to song detail, but song detail will also have bottom navigation bar. In this way, you can implement a simple nested navigation in Flutter. We are also going to implement nested navigation for setting page. But first, let's add an initial parameter for song list route. By default, the first child will act as initial route, but it is always a good idea to add initial parameter to distinguish the initial route with other. It will be helpful when you have lots of route as children. Now for nested navigation in setting, let's create a file called setting navigation screen dot and we will repeat same step as song navigation screen. First, creating a stateless widget and returning auto router widget. This video has a simple nested navigation implementation. In next video, I am going to implement a more complex nested navigation. Also, I am going to make video where there are multiple nested child within child. So subscribe so that you will not miss those videos. We will also create song detail screen. It is just a screen that we navigate from setting list. After creating all the screens needed, we will run the build runner build command once again. Again, you can find all of these tutorials in this playlist. If you continue from video 1 of this playlist, you will understand everything and you will be even clear about auto route implementation for Flutter. After creating song detail screen, we will edit our app underscore router file after building the generated routes. Here, let's replace setting route with setting navigation route. And add setting route and setting detail route as children, and also don't forget to add initial parameter for initial route within the nested routes. In next video, I am going to teach you how you can implement nested route within nested route. We need a way to navigate to setting detail route, so let's do that. We can add it inside setting route. By doing this, we have successfully added nested navigation in our application for both song section and setting section. Here our nested navigation is complete. If you have any confusion, feel free to comment. And if you find any mistakes here, You can also comment. We can navigate within song and setting section separately. You can find all of the source code in the description below. There are different links there using which you can find all of the source code. Hope you like this video.